chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you and me can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie, Lynn, Somerville, Kane, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me. Today's video, I'm going to be doing my September Yes Oh Yes unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. We're fixing to cut it open and see what's in here. As far as this month, I only know one thing that's going to be in here. So I'm trying to find the card. Oh! I'm trying not to look at that because I don't want to know. But that is so cute. Okay, I'm feeling, and I think this is the one thing I know about, yes. It's the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection. I already have this from, I think, a BoxyCharm, so this will be going in my giveaway drawer. But it's really exciting because I really do love this palette. So, giveaway drawer. Alright, next. Ooh, brushes, which I think I have this set from a BoxyCharm, but it's from Estetica. And yes, I have this set. I have this set and I really love it. I use this brush for my brows all the time. Okay, so I'm also going to put this in my giveaway drawer. It's pretty cool. See, when stuff like this happens and I get stuff I already have, I get just as excited because that means I get to give it to somebody else. Yay! And especially with stuff that I do love. Okay, next is this is Glow by Glory. Every Glow Girl and Glow Boy's fave. Semi-matte liquid lipstick. I've never heard of this brand. That packaging is really cute. Let's get it open. Oh, okay. Oh, the packaging is so cute. And that color, whew, y'all. This color is so pretty. Ooh, I am so excited, y'all. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And like I said, I've never heard of them, so that'll be exciting to try that. Last is this Wondrous Wine Lipstick Pencil from Cella. Oh, that shade, y'all. That is a deep, like burgundy type shade. That is really pretty. Which I just went through my lipsticks and decluttered a bunch. So I don't know. I may say put this in my giveaway too, but that color is really pretty. It's really deep and bold. I don't know. We'll see. That is it for today's video. I'm very, very excited to be able to, you know, put some stuff in my giveaway drawer and to try this because this shade is really, really, really pretty. And I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles!